Hi, welcome to Tech and Man. Today I'm going to show you while creating the emulator, most of the time we get the error like VTX is not enabled. So we shall try to create a new emulator, going to Tools, Android, AVD Manager. Here if we try to create a new virtual device, we will get, when we press on the new button, next button, here is the error message saying like VTX is disabled in BIOS. So when we press on troubleshoot, it is asking us to enable VTX in your BIOS security settings. So unless we enable VTX, our emulator it will not run. So we need to enable this VTX in BIOS. So for that you need to restart your system. So I am restarting my system. So once you restart your system, you need to go to the BIOS setting once it restarts while during the boot. So there we are going to enable the VTX settings. So now we are in the BIOS menu here. So here you can see system information, system diagnosis, boot device options, BIOS setup, system recovery. We will select the BIOS setup here by pressing F10. So we are in the page of BIOS setup here. So in my case I am working on the HP laptop. So the VTX technology, virtualization technology, is under system configuration tab. So you can select it using the arrow keys. And currently it is, you can see here it is disabled. So you can enable it. Just follow the instruction whatever have been given at the bottom of the page and make it enabled. So once you enabled it, now you can save and exit F10. Once you press F10 and save changes yes. So your system will restart now, and we will see what will happen in Android Studio. So once your system restarts, start your Android Studio and try to create the new emulator. Okay, once you restart your Android Studio, you have to we shall try creating the new emulator. For creating the new emulator, we will navigate to Tools, Android, AVD Manager. Here is our Android AVD Manager. Here if we try to create a new virtual device, so let me select a new virtual device, create virtual device. Here let me select one device configuration, any device configuration you can choose, and click on next. So previously we have noticed that here at this portion of the screen we have noticed that VTX is not enabled. So now we have enabled that VTX in BIOS setup, so it is not giving us any error, so that you can create your emulator and you can run your application on the emulator. So you create the emulator, click on next, click on finish. So you can see your newly created emulator once Android Studio finishes the creation of the emulator. So it is taking a lot of time, but it should solve your problem of VTX is not enabled. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel Tech and Man. You can expect many of these kind of videos coming up helping you related to technologies. So here we have created one more emulator, so you can start using these emulators for testing your application now. Thank you.